Hi, I'm Dee and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to be hostessing my very first YouTube collaboration. For those of you who are new to my channel, we are continuing on with Vlogtober 2020 and this is day 19 with Bake With Me Fall Dessert Collaboration hosted by yours truly, me, Dee. I am a stay-at-home housewife, a full-time family caregiver to my mom who had suffered a stroke, and I am sharing our journey here in YouTube land with weekly vlogs. I also do cleaning motivation videos, decluttering, organizing, meal planning, cook. My husband grills, we go cooking with Jay. We just do all kinds of different variety stuff here on my channel, which I prefer as variety. So welcome. I reached out to some of my YouTuber friends and I am so honored and excited that they've joined and are really excited to share their fall desserts with us. So make sure you click on that playlist to see what they got baking. Just to name drop a few, I have my dear friend Michelle from My Everyday Wife Life, Sophia from My Great Challenge, Karina from Life's Little Things, Karen from This Manner's Mom, Colette from Celtic Lassie, and more of my friends will be joining us today. Except for Sophia will be joining us tomorrow on the 21st. So make sure you check out her video as well. So it's never too late to join. So if you'd like to join, all you have to do is just mention my channel, the playlist, use the hashtag Bake With Me Fall Dessert Collaboration so that all of us can locate your video. I cannot wait to see what everyone has baking today. Let the baking begin. You don't see me wearing this very often, but for the occasion, I will. You can find this recipe on my Pinterest board. I mean, pumpkin pie and cake all in one. Genius! So the pumpkin pie magic cake is, well, we need cake. This is the perfectly moist spice cake mix. 30 ounce of the pumpkin pie mix, 2 sticks of butter, 4 eggs, and rich and creamy vanilla frosting. And to add a little bit of a touch of fun, I'm going to add some candy corn. On the top, that is, not in the cake. We're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. 2 sticks of butter into a microwave safe bowl or cup and melt the butter. I really don't bake at all, so I'm pretty excited to finally get motivated and try new baking recipes. Yeah, that didn't go as planned. In a large mixing bowl, you're going to place your 130 ounce can of pumpkin pie mix. Oh my god, this smells so good. Already smells like fall. Honestly, it's probably the only thing that smells like fall besides my soap. My foam soap. Awesome. Add in your 4 large eggs. Next.
Mix in your cake mix and then your melted butter, and you're going to mix for about 2 minutes. Using a 9 by 13 baking dish like I have here, I'm just using Crisco non-stick cooking spray, lightly greasing that.
And now we are going to pour this. Cannot wait to see what everybody else is baking up for today, you guys. This is just the smell of the pumpkin. It just makes me wonder of like all the possibilities. I'm excited. Voila. Timer. Halfway point. Oh my god, it smells so good. So hurry up. That smells good.
After 45 to 55 minutes and the pie cake is not jiggly, let it completely cool before placing on frosting. Did I say frosting? Oh yeah. I couldn't have all the fun, so I'm having my mom, Queen G, place the candy corn to give it a personal and decorative touch.
Mom made a happy face, 2 eyes, a nose, a happy face. The
Hi.
spelling of hi.
Nice. Good job, Jean.
I didn't even know we had this. That just proves how very little baking do I do. Too funny.
Drops the fork. That good. I'm telling you, that dessert was so delicious. Oh my god. If you decide to make that, let me know, because I want to know if you liked it just as much as we did. Hey, I just want to say thank you so much for joining me today on Vlogtober Day 19 with the fall dessert collaboration. Make sure you go check out and see what the others are baking up today. I cannot wait. As always, take care of yourself, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.